Did you know your body can signal when something's wrong with your pancreas? Early signs of pancreatic disease often go unnoticed. Today, we're uncovering these critical warnings. Stay tuned to learn how to protect your health before it's too late. The pancreas is an important part of our body, and if it's not working right, it can cause big health problems. Why is it important to make sure our pancreas is healthy? What kinds of problems can happen if we have pancreas diseases? In this video, we're going to talk about what the pancreas does, how to spot if something might be wrong with it, and what foods are good for keeping the pancreas healthy. Let's discuss the role of the pancreas. The pancreas is a very important organ for our body because it helps in two big ways: digestion and controlling sugar levels. It makes special juices that help break down foods like proteins, fats, and sugars. These juices also help calm down stomach acid so they don't hurt the beginning of the small intestine. If the pancreas doesn't make these juices right, it can cause painful stomach problems. For controlling sugar, the pancreas makes two important things: insulin and glucagon. Insulin helps lower the sugar in our blood, and glucagon raises it. This balance is important for giving our body energy and keeping it running smoothly. So, keeping the pancreas healthy is really important for our whole body to feel good. Let's dive into potential problems with the pancreas. Problems with the pancreas can get serious, and the most common one is called pancreatitis. This illness can sneak up on you because it's hard to tell apart from other sicknesses. Pancreatitis can be a sudden attack or a long-term problem, but both types start with similar symptoms like throwing up, stomach pain on the upper left side, and sometimes turning yellow. These signs can look a lot like food poisoning, so many people don't realize it's actually their pancreas causing trouble and don't get the urgent help they need. If not treated quickly, the pancreas can get really damaged during these attacks. What's tricky is that sometimes these symptoms go away after a bit, making people think they just had a bad meal. But even when the symptoms stop, the pancreatitis isn't gone, it just becomes a chronic condition. Over time, it slowly damages the pancreas, replacing healthy parts with scar tissue. This can lead to problems with digesting food and controlling sugar in the blood, which might result in diabetes. Pancreas symptoms of the disease. If you're worried about your pancreas, there are some signs you should look out for. Here's what to keep an eye on. Pain on the left side and back. If you have pain on the left side of your belly that sometimes spreads to your back, pay attention. This could also be a sign of kidney problems, but it's a common symptom for pancreas issues too. Frequent poisoning symptoms. If you often feel like you've got food poisoning, even when you haven't eaten anything suspicious, it could be your pancreas sending signals. Stomach upset by fatty foods. If your stomach gets upset after eating fatty foods, it might not just be gastritis or an ulcer acting up. It could also mean there's something wrong with your pancreas. Changes in stool. Pay attention if your stool is not well formed and you can see undigested food in it. If this happens a lot, it's a warning sign. Sudden weight changes. If your weight goes up or down without a clear reason, and you're feeling tired all the time, it could be related to your pancreas. Constant belly bloating. Feeling bloated all the time can also be a sign of problems with your pancreas. These symptoms can be caused by many different things, not just pancreatic problems. That's why it's important to see a doctor if you notice any of them. Only a healthcare professional can tell for sure if it's pancreatitis or something else with similar signs. Let's explain causes of the disease. The main reasons why the pancreas might start to have problems have a lot to do with how we live and what we eat. Eating a lot of fatty foods and fast food, and drinking alcohol, can make the pancreas sick. Stress and our family's health history, genetics, are also important factors. Since problems with the pancreas can lead to diabetes, you should watch out for signs like always being thirsty, feeling hungry all the time, feeling dizzy or sleepy, and noticing a fruity smell when you pee. These could be signs of diabetes, and if you notice them, it's important to check not just the pancreas but other parts of your digestive system too. Foods to eat for pancreas health. To keep your pancreas healthy and working well, it's a good idea to eat certain foods that help protect and support this vital organ. Pumpkin, this is great for your pancreas because it's full of vitamins, minerals, and carotenoids. Carotenoids are special nutrients that fight inflammation and help keep cells from dying too soon. Jerusalem artichoke. Eating this can help your body manage its metabolism better and reduce inflammation in your pancreas. Blueberries. These are super good for people with diabetes. They help lower blood sugar levels and fight inflammation. Turmeric. This spice is really powerful at reducing inflammation. It also helps your body make more insulin and can prevent gallstones, which are hard little stones that can form in your gallbladder. Red grapes. These are packed with resveratrol, a type of antioxidant that protects your cells from damage and keeps your pancreas healthy. Yogurt. It's full of good bacteria called probiotics that help strengthen your immune system and make your digestive system work better. Adding these foods to your diet can help keep your pancreas in good shape and prevent serious health issues. Never avoid importance of medical checkups. Going for regular and thorough medical checkups is very important to find and treat health problems early. Ignoring issues like pancreatitis can lead to big problems, possibly making someone's life shorter and less enjoyable. If pancreatitis or other health issues are found early, they can often be managed with medicine. However, if the problem is more serious, surgery might be needed. This is why keeping up with medical appointments is key to catching problems early and keeping you healthy. In summary, taking good care of your pancreas is very important for your overall health. It's key to know the signs and symptoms of pancreas problems, like pancreatitis, so you can catch and treat them early. How you live, including what you eat, how much alcohol you drink, your stress levels, and your family health history, can all affect your pancreas. Eating foods that are good for you, especially those with antioxidants and things that fight inflammation, can help keep your pancreas working well. Also, going to the doctor regularly for checkups is crucial for finding any problems early and treating them. By looking after your pancreas and leading a healthy lifestyle, you can lower your chances of getting pancreas diseases and enjoy a longer, healthier life.